Hi, today I'm going to show you how to deploy Base44 app on Vercel. So in order to do this, first of all, log into Base44, click on apps icon at the top left, then choose the app that you're working on. Now, simply click on export code option at the top right and choose export project to GitHub, or you can also export your project as a zip folder. But I'm going to click on export project to Git. Now, you'll have to basically upgrade to a pro plan in order to export your code as a repository on GitHub. So upgrade your plan, export it to your GitHub account, then navigate to Vercel. After logging in, you'll have to click on add new. Now choose project and you will see another page. Here, you can easily click on continue with GitHub. Now, you will see all the GitHub repository that you will have connected with your Base44. Now, if you have used the same GitHub account on both of these platforms to sign in, you will see import button after your project name just right here. That is your Base44 project. Just click on import and you would have successfully deployed your app. After that, you'll have to simply fill out these fields and click on deploy. When you click on deploy, you would have successfully deployed your Base44 app on Vercel. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.